Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create model view controllers. So in these demonstrations, I will start with a single apps project. You will have a one controller and view, and from there I will create a table view to show you how the controller put the data present in the table view. And then from there, I'm going to create a model. The model will control the way of the data to present so that it will separate between the view and models. In these demonstrations, you will see there's not much difference having a model or not having a models. The result will be exactly the same, but you need to create a lot of extra code. In a single view projects, you don't have too much benefit having this model. However, if you have more than one controllers or many views, and they will point to the same data or many data, then you will see the power of the MVC because it separates the views and the data. So you will leave to the controllers to manage what's the data passed to which views. So in the future, when you change the view designs or you change the model structures, it won't impact on either sides. And also, if you are going to use CoreData, then you will need to understand very well how MVC works. It will help you to put the CoreData to run your apps. So let's dive in the program to see how it works. So here is a single view applications. When I run these apps, so you will see an empty UI view. So I quickly go to the main storyboard because the demonstration today is focused on MVC, not creating table view. So I just quickly drag and drop a table view here. And then in this table view, I just need one cell. From the cell, I need to put the reusable identifiers, and it will be right side detail view. And then I need to connect this table view to the view controller for the data source. After doing so, I can go back to the UI view controller to set the table view data source. And then I need to create some data. So the name will be like John, Mary, and so the other array is an age array. It will be 23, 45, 66 is the age for all these peoples. UI table view data source, I need to conform with the protocol. So I just copy and paste here. So first of all, I need to return how many rows I need, and then I need to return a cell equal table view dot GQ reusable cells, and then the identifier is the cells. It's an index path. With that, I can start to assign the data into the labels. So the first one will be the name dot row, and then second will be the detail, so equal age. I also need to unwrap. No, I need to convert to the string and then return the cell. So if you don't know how to create all this table view, you can see my other videos to teach you how to create table view. So let me run these apps again. So you will see all this name and the age show at the right hand side. So now I want to show you how to create a model to separate the data source to the view. So how can you do that? I need to create another class say like people model with NS object. So here I only have a name, it's a string, unwrap, wrap, and then the age is integer wrap. We have this model built here, so I need to use the beauty load to load all these data to the models. So this time I will have a new array, people array, to hold. This time is not hold the data, it's hold the models. So this will be the people model. I'm going to hold. So with that, I need to set up data to put all these data to the model. So how can I do that? I need a function called setupData. So this function is quite simple. I just need to set up the data. So I am going to use a for loop I in, because I only have 3 data. So first of all, I need to copy let the people equal people model. So people dot name, I can access the model now. So dot name will be equal to name I, and then I also need to put the age in the model, age. So I'm copying all this data to the model, and then I have to append in the array. So right now, this array to hold all the record in the model format back to here. So when I'm going to return the table, this time is not return this part. It's return the people array. From here, I'm not going to access data from the data here. Instead of access the people array index.row.name, because I'm accessing the model name instead of accessing the array data here. Dot. This path.row.age. So I need to unwrap the age and then also convert to string. That's all you have to do, and you run the apps again. You will see nothing changed at all. It's still the same data with the age. But the differences is right now you are not directly access the data from the controller here. Instead of accessing all these data through these models. The good thing about this model, in this app you don't see the difference at all. You just see lots of trouble codes to create and for these data. However, if you can imagine, this part actually refer to the core data. So when you're accessing the core data, you need to have these models to reflect all the data from core data, and then you can pull from here. And then you also imagine if I'm going to create lots of controller views and controllers, they are all going to access different kind of models, data, then you will see the differences. But here, this demonstration is not doing that. This demonstration is only to tell you how to create a model, MVC models. So next time, next videos, I'm going to dive into the core data. With these foundations, this understanding, you will more understanding how to use the core data. If you like this video, please subscribe it and give me a like. See you next time.